Continue with exercise 5.1. Today's assignment is question number 4, 5 and 6 and 7 also. Now what is question number 5 saying? Find the angles which is equal to complement. Now as we know that complement angles is what? When the sum of two angle measures 90 degrees, isn't it? So we have to see that both the angles should be equal. So if both the angle is equal, then what is the measure of each angle? This is the question. So in this case, as we do not know the measure of the equal angle, so we'll let it. So let one of the two equal complementary angle be x. So now if one angle is x, then another angle will be also x, because both the angles has to be equal. But their sum has to be what? 90 degrees, because there has to be complement. So both the angles we have added, that is x plus x, will be equals to what? 90 degree. Now we know that x plus x is what? 2x equals to 90 degree. So we have to remove this 2. For that we have to divide it by 2 on left hand side, and same thing we have to do on the right hand side. That is 2x upon 2 equals to 90 upon 2. This 2 will be cancelled, and if you divide 90 divided by 2, then you will get 45 degree. So thus 45 is equal to complement. That is, if both the angles are 45, then they would be complement, and both the angle will be equal also. That is, one angle is 45, another angle is also 45. Okay. Now very similar question, that is number 5. Find the angle which is equal to supplement. Now this time we have to find the two angles which has to be equal to each other, and their sum is equals to 180 degree. As we know that supplementary angle is what? The sum of two angles should be equals to 180 degree. Now let, again we do not know the angles, so again we let x be the two equal angles of supplementary angle. So when the two angles are added, we should get what? 180 degree, as because it is supplement now. So x plus x is equals to 180 degree. X plus x is 2x equals to 180 degree. Again we have to remove this 2. So what we have to do? We have to divide it by 2 to both the side. So this will look, it will look like this. 2x by 2 is equals to 180 by 2. Remove this. 180 divided by 2 is 90. So each angle should be equals to 90 degree, and the sum of two angles would be equals to 180 degree. So I have written what? Thus 90 degree is equal to supplement. So these are the solution of question number 4 and 5. Now let's speak about question number 6. Now what 6 is saying? See, in the given figure, the figure is given, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. As we have discussed, these are also linear pairs and adjacent angles also. So what the question is saying, if angle 1 is decreased, what will happen to angle 2? So more the angle 1 is decreased, angle 2 will increase. If you decrease this, if you decrease this angle, 2 will increase, and if you decrease this 2, then 1 will increase, the vice versa. Okay, so this is a question they have asked. What will happen if these two are supplement to each other, and if 1 is decreased, what will happen to angle 2? Then angle 2 will increase, and if you are increasing 1, then 2 will decrease. This is the relation between angle 1 and 2. So see, I have written, if 1 is decreased, then what will happen to angle 2? Then angle 2 will increase with the same measure, so that both the angles will remain the supplementary angle. Okay, so for the adjustment, if you decrease 1, so 2 will increase, so that the sum of the two angles remains 180 degree. Okay, so this is a relation. This is some logical question they have asked. Now there is another logical question they have asked. See, can two angles be supplement if both of them are acute angle? Now the question is, we know that supplementary angle is the measure of two angles equals to 180 degree, isn't it? Now if both the angles are acute, will the sum be 180 degree? This is the question. Now we know that acute angle is those angles which are less than 90 degree. So it is no way possible that the angles which are acute, and if you add any two angles which are acute, will get 180 degree. So it's not possible. You see, the less than 90 degree means it starts from 89. If you take 89 plus 89 also, okay, then also you will not get 180 degree. Okay, so I've written no, both the angles cannot be acute angle. No, as because sum of the two acute angle is less than 180 degree. The next question is, if it is possible that the two angles is obtuse angle. So if the two angles are obtuse angle, now what is obtuse angle? Obtuse angle is the angles which are more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So if the two angles are obtuse angle, that is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, then you will find that the sum of the two angles will be more than 180 degree. So again, it is not supplement, because the sum should be equal to 180 degree, not more than, not less than. In the case of acute angle, the sum was less than 180 degree, but in case of obtuse angle, now sum is more than 180 degree. So in this case also the answer is no, because sum of the two angle is more than 180 degree. Okay, so this condition is also not applicable. Now what if the two angles are right angle? If both the angles are 90 degree, will it be supplementary? Yes, because 90 plus 90 is what? 180 degree. So I have written yes, because two right angle is 180 degree. You see? So these are the two logical questions, and these are very, very important. Okay, these logical questions are very, very important. So today's assignment is question number 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, thank you and God bless you all.